Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your flight date with Air Canada. First of all, go to aircanada.com and open the Air Canada mobile app. Log in to your account using your booking reference or aeroplane number. Now click on the My Bookings or Manage My Booking section. Enter your booking reference number and the last name used for the reservation if not logged in. Find the flight you want to modify and select it. Look for the option to change flight or modify booking. Select your preferred new flight date and time. Review the available options and choose the one that works best for you. If there's a fare difference or change, fee review and confirm the additional charges. Enter your payment details to complete the transaction. Once the change is processed, you will receive a new confirmation email or notification. Double check the details of your updated itinerary.